Good morning and happy Vlogmas Day 5. Okay, we are having breakfast. Well, actually Chloe just finished having her breakfast. The Beau is having his breakfast and I am drinking a latte. And then I'll have my breakfast once Chloe goes down for her first nap. And that's kind of how our morning routines go. Good morning. Did you have a good breakfast? Someone have grumpy pants today. Yeah, Baba. Baba, you want some water? No? Okay.
Bintana niya.
Yeah.
Right? Ito yung punit.
I can't really see.
Hindi, wala pa.
Oh. I was like,
So,
hindi
ito
ko
yung pinto.
makita.
Ito yung pinto, ano?
Yeah.
Doon sa kabila may bintana.
Yeah.
Dito sa kabila, wala itong pinto. Ito yung punit. Nakita mo?
Oh, I don't think that's that big of a deal. Okay, Chloe's down for her nap. We just finished talking to my mom. My mom got Chloe this like, it's not inflatable, but it looks like a little house. It's a collapsible little, it looks like a bouncy house, but it's not inflatable. It's made out of I don't know, like a plasticky material, probably like polyester plastic material, and it's like a ball pit, but it's in the shape of a house. And she was saying how there's like a tiny little like rip at one of the seams at the very top, so it wouldn't prevent the balls from falling out. And yeah, so she's debating whether or not to just exchange it for another one, or just to like mend it, because it's just like a little tiny thing that you could probably just quickly mend. It took a long time for it to arrive, so she wanted to have it for Chloe for Christmas, so she's kind of debating what to do. Anyway, I am going to do the errands that I was going to do yesterday, but then I kind of lazied out because it was chilly and snowy yesterday. So I'm going to do it today, which is return something. Oh, and actually the 10S that I dropped off to Jump Plus to get a new battery is ready. So I'm going to pick that up too. But first I have to get ready and probably wash my hair because it's been 5 days. Okay, I'm ready and I washed my hair. I blow dried it to about 80%. I didn't feel like completely styling it. And I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. In case you're wondering, I still haven't cleaned out my closet, so don't judge me. But this sweater is from Uniqlo. It's just like a gray cashmere turtleneck. And then the jeans are from Mango. The Beau makes me a latte every morning. And I kind of forgot about it because I was busy putting Chloe to sleep. So it's pretty cold, but I'm gonna check it quickly before I leave. I don't want to waste it, it's delicious. I'm wearing a very dark outfit right now, but I just added my jacket, which is from Uniqlo, like this really long down-filled jacket, which I love. And I'm gonna wear boots, of course, because it's snowing out. And I got a question on one of my last videos about this chain for the mask, and I just got it from Etsy. And I believe they're a Canadian seller, but I'll link their Etsy shop in the description box if you're interested in it. I just think it's really convenient. I like this one because the lobster clasp is actually really big, so it fits around most masks. And yeah, I just like to have it around my neck because then I don't have to worry about like putting my hands on it and like putting it in my pocket or where I'm gonna put it if I need to take it off for whatever reason. So yeah, I just kind of hangs around the neck and I like that. I'll quickly show you guys these boots before I return them. They're from DSW, they're the brand Franco Sardo, and I do like them. They're just not exactly what I was looking for, so that's why I'm gonna return them. I figure I just wait for the ones that I really love instead of kind of settling. So yeah, these have a zipper, so they'll fit most feet sizes or leg sizes or however you describe that. And they do have a little bit of a heel, which is a block heel, which I also am looking for. I don't want like a stiletto heel or like a thin heel. I want like a nice sturdy block heel. And it does have kind of like an aged toe, which I don't mind. But yeah, not exactly what I was looking for, so I'm just gonna return this. I'm in the car. It is cold. It actually says it's only 3 degrees, but I'm in the garage, so it's probably colder outside. And yeah, I have my seat warmer on, I have my heated steering wheel on, but bonus is I don't have to clean my car off. Okay, heading into the mall now. The wait was so long at Jump Plus that I don't have time to return my boots, so I'll have to do that during Chloe's next nap. However, I also might have to go back. I don't have time today because I don't want to line up again, because I'm getting this warning on the phone. So yeah, this is what it says: important battery message, and it says that yeah, it might not have a genuine Apple battery in there, which is kind of the reason I spent $89 plus tax to have that repaired for. If I didn't want an original Apple battery, I would have just spent probably like $30 at Pacific Mall or something. I'm making Chloe some lunch now, but I just got off the phone with Jump Plus, which is where I took my phone to get a new battery. And originally they just said, oh, just restart it, which I did. Chloe's having fun in her little playpen. So I restarted it, the message still showed up, and then hi. Oh, hi. What are you doing? Yeah. Were you calling me? Were you saying mama? Were you calling me? Where does your hair clip go? I love you. I love you. Anyway, as I was saying, I restarted the phone and that message still showed up. I even like completely erased the phone to factory settings, and then it still showed up. So the technician said that there's probably nothing wrong with the battery, and it's just maybe like a, I don't know, software issue or something. So just to come and bring it back sometime today. What you up to, Chloe? No, don't bite the handle. No, no, no. That's not good for your teeth. That's not good for your teeth, girl. I just put Chloe down for a nap and I'm going to have lunch. This is what I'm having today. So the other night we actually had tacos and we still had some like ground beef left. So I'm just making a taco. So we have cheese. This is a whole wheat tortilla, some lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, sour cream, salsa, that kind of stuff. This turned out really good actually. Like the avocado is perfection. The only thing is it's cold now, which I'm kind of used to anyway, because ever since we had Chloe, we just kind of got used to having cold meals. Okay, let's try this again. This time I'm gonna go to DSW first and return that because I don't foresee an issue there, and then Jump Plus for the phone. Okay, I returned my shoes, but these are the ones that I got. This is what they look like in a little bit better lighting. These are regularly $199, but there was like a Black Friday deal. It was 25% off. Okay, I am done at DSW and I'm gonna head back to Jump Plus and hopefully they can fix whatever is wrong with that battery. Okay, I'm back at the mall again. Hopefully this is the last time, at least for the foreseeable future. In case you're wondering, the mask I'm wearing today is from Aritzia. The one I was wearing earlier actually was also from Aritzia. I change my mask often, so if I'm out, I'm wearing one mask. If I end up coming back home or if I take the mask off or something like that, I usually put a new one on just because I have so many and might as well just change it up. You know what, that wasn't that bad of a wait actually. I think it's because they had more employees working so they could let in more people at a time, because the employees kind of have to monitor, or they're with you as you're shopping for products so that they can sanitize everything and they know what you've touched so that they can clean everything up when you leave. So it was fairly quick. Won't get the phone back probably till tonight. They said it would only take an hour, but I can't wait because Chloe's gonna be up from her nap soon. And then I'll probably just pick it up tonight after she goes to sleep. And hopefully that issue is resolved, because that's super annoying, super, super annoying and very inconvenient. Anyway, I am going to treat myself to a cha time because this was such a hassle that I need a little treat. I'm home and got lots of time before Chloe has to get up from her nap. I'm reading over some of the suggestions. So this morning I posted on my Instagram story about the questions for the Q&A and then also suggestions for what you guys want to see in the future. And many of you have suggested more Chloe. So I will try my best to include a clip of her in every one of my vlogs throughout Vlogmas. Yeah, a lot of you actually commented that, and by a lot I mean 3-4 people, but considering I only have like 15 suggestions altogether, I feel like that's a lot. So I came in and Chloe is usually up and greeting me, but today she's being a little lazy butt. Are you still sleepy? Hi. Did you have a good nap? I imagine this is what she'd be like when she's a teenager, except she'd probably have more of an attitude. Why? Hi. Did you have a good nap? Did you have a good nap? Boop, 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 boop. Chloe, I love you. Give Mama a smile. Smile. Kisses. It's bath night for Chloe, so the beau is gonna do that while I make dinner. I had a suggestion to show more things that we're eating and grocery hauls and like, you know, what we do and what we eat in a day. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna have for dinner today. I'm gonna make this creamy and charred broccoli pasta. So when lockdown ensued at the very beginning, we were obviously eating like the same things over and over again, so I decided to pick up this menu, or not menu, it's a cookbook. So we basically pick 1 or 2 menu items to have for that week, and yeah, that way we can try different things and cook different things and not just have the same thing over and over again. So it has been really fun, and I have been cooking a lot more since I am home. I'm definitely cooking a lot more than I was when I was working, just because I have the time to do so. Before, you know, I would get home probably like 5:45, and then, you know, by the time you like cook a meal like the one that we're gonna make tonight, it's like 7 o'clock. It is almost Chloe's bedtime, so she's getting a little grumpy. I always think to myself that babies are just so easily entertained, and then I think, okay, I just watched a baby open and close a cabinet drawer for like 5 minutes. Hi, Chloe. No, those are mamas. Those are mamas. Careful. It's almost your bedtime. Bubba still has to blow dry your hair while Mama makes dinner. Hi. Okay, so like I said, the recipe I'm doing is the creamy chicken and charred broccoli pasta, and I have most of the ingredients here. I did tweak some things because, well, half of the stuff we're just kind of using whatever we have in the fridge. Okay, this is how the creamy chicken and charred broccoli pasta turned out. We also had some mushrooms, so we added that in also. You'll notice in the B-roll there that we had to change pans because I didn't realize we were cooking everything in one pan. So yeah, read the recipe thoroughly before starting is the trick there. But this is what's supposed to look like, and this is what we have. Does it look similar? Pretty good. Okay. That's pretty good. What are your thoughts?
Delicious.
I like them.
Very creamy.
Okay, it is advent calendar time. Okay, we're looking for day 5. Oh. Try not to rip this one this time. What does she say? Oh, Christmas wreath. Oh, Christmas wreath. I do like these puns, I won't lie. Okay, I'm gonna call it a night. I did not end up picking up the phone tonight just because they close fairly early. They close at 7, so I wouldn't get there in time. Well, actually it's past 7 now, so definitely would not have made it. But I also wanted to thank you guys for your questions and suggestions on the Instagram. I posted it this morning. It's gonna be up for 24 hours, but it will be closed by the time you guys see this. But I just wanted to say thank you for all of your suggestions and also really great questions. I'm going to sort through the questions tonight probably. I actually got quite a few questions and they're all really great, so I want to answer as many as I can, and I don't think it'll all fit in one episode, so I'll probably incorporate it into 2 vlogmas episodes. But yeah, I just want to say thank you so much if you submitted a question, and I'm just gonna compile all of them from the ones I got here on the channel to the ones I got on Instagram, and then yeah, answer them in a future episode. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. I hope you're having a great start to December, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.